Catalysts for successful transformation, recognizing the need for change, collaborating with vertical industries, and how to start the transformation journey. The TM Forum's Catalyst program is a member-led initiative to use best practices, tools and standards to address the current challenges of the industry through proof-of-concept projects. Amongst the many catalysts at this year's event are 9 that use AI and 2 that are focused on blockchain, with open networking principles playing a key role in the program.
The whole idea of open everything and then standardizing everything, TM Forum's been about that forever. And now, really, it's just really blossoming with the whole digital transformation and ecosystems and all of those things that you have to do to really operate in this digital world. And the Catalyst program gives companies a way to do that that's been existing, it's proven. We have 25 projects and 120 companies here in Nice, so clearly it resonates, right? This approach resonates. And what we are asking the teams to do in the post-Catalyst phase is to capture their results, capture their learnings, and then make contributions to TM Forum so that everybody can use the results of the Catalyst.
These Catalyst proofs of concept are just part of the overall transformation process, which will see CSPs change their existing BSS systems and create new processes to support their network evolution.
Every telco does BSS transformation. Every telco knows that to be successful in BSS transformation, they need to decouple the customer experience from the legacy. If they just now go one step further and say, now we have a platform, the decoupling platform, which allows us to create a different experience. If we now basically open that also up for third parties, bring them in, and think about how you can support new transaction-based business models, that is exactly what you need as a capability to do the next step. Then you need to start learning from the data that is coming in and improve the service.
Not every CSP has embraced this transformation journey, and each telco will embark from a different starting point. Recognizing this diversity is key to those vendor partners looking to support telcos through this process.
We're really happy to report that, as of last year, we continue to do great work with our existing customers. We've grown our business and relevance with those. We have at this point over 30 customers live in deployment, and that's major progress for us. What we've learned is that even though the service providers have common concerns and common problems as they're making their change toward digital service transformation and digital business transformation, they all start from various different points. And so our learning has been to really engage through a solutions-oriented approach and to very much engage in the customer, empathize with the customer, bring our best technology to bear to deliver solutions that really meet them and their requirements as they make this transformation.
Digital transformation affects various parts of a CSP's business, from the network itself, through new business models, and to the customer experience.
There's really 3 core areas that we see that are critical. It's digital transformation and being digital around the network. How are you transforming your network to be more agile and show up with the kind of bandwidth that's required at the locations it's required? How are you leveraging cloud technologies? Then we see it in business models themselves. CSPs are adjusting their business models and they're entering in as pressure becomes more strengthened on their network, whether it's mobile or broadband. And the third pillar that's really hugely important is customer experience. How are they looking after their current customers, and how are they trying to identify new customers and looking at their digital behaviors?
In the transformation from CSP to DSP, what is the end goal for telcos? Is there a sweet spot in this new ecosystem where telcos can position themselves to maximize business opportunities?
Telcos have been in this perennial view of they need to own it all. They own the entire problem space. Innovation is seen as being a inside-out type process. They have to do it. And I think really to look at what is the heart of that transformation is to unlock innovation from the outside in, and how do they participate in those processes and try and create an environment where they're creating more revenue from other streams that are not their ideas.
As CSPs look towards vertical industries for their next phase of growth, they are ideally placed to apply their transformational experiences and lessons to their enterprise and industry partners.
I am seeing CSPs getting more vertically aligned. They're getting higher in the value chain, so it's not about network carriage anymore. It's really moving away from telco to techco. And in order to do that, this is where Synifer gets involved to bridge that gap to their own digital transformations by having intelligence into your customers' environment. How are your customers digitally transforming their own business, and how can you get knowledge of that and go in front of the curve with regards to assisting your customers on that journey?
That's all from the final day of Digital Transformation World in Nice. Don't forget, you can watch our complete coverage of the event on telecomtv.com and head over to tmforum.org for more information on how they are supporting this ongoing telco transformation. But from all of the team here in Nice, thank you for watching and goodbye.